Hello, this is your Ohio Weather Network forecast summary for Monday, December 13th, 2010. We have a lot to cover, so let's get started with the weather headlines. First one being very cold. We have the very cold air coming in from Canada, and that is overspreading the state with some very cold air, much of the highs today only in the middle and upper teens. Also, we have lake effect snow overspreading much of northeastern Ohio. We'll touch base on that. We have the strong northwest winds, which is creating the very cold air and the lake effect snow, and it is also causing some dangerous wind chills. The wind chills anywhere from 0 to 10 to 15 below across much of the state. This will continue into much of Tuesday as well. The weather summary here. We have some snow over southeastern and east central Ohio, and that will move out here overnight tonight. Could see an additional 2 to 4 inches there. We also have our lake effect snow in northeastern Ohio, generally 4 to 8 inches tomorrow. More where snow bands persist. We have the brisk northwest winds of 15 to 25 miles per hour, which are creating the lake effect snow. And also combined with those cold temperatures, the wind chills again from 0 to anywhere to 10 to 15 below 0 across much of the state. We do have a winter storm warning in effect for the counties outlined in pink. Includes Ashtabula, Lake, Geauga, Cuyahoga, Lorain, Medina, Summit, Portage, Trumbull, and Mahoning counties until 7 a.m. Wednesday. Columbiana County is under a winter weather advisory until 7 a.m. Tuesday. And in southeastern Ohio, you have the winter weather advisory in effect until 1 o'clock Tuesday morning. Okay, here's the snowfall estimates through Tuesday morning. This is by noontime Tuesday, is what we're expecting at this time. And generally, 2 to 4 inches across much of southeastern and east central Ohio as those snow showers pull away overnight tonight. Could also see 2 to 4 inches across parts of northeastern and north central Ohio as the snow tapers there. Across much of northeastern Ohio, I'm expecting 4 to 8 inches of snow, with less along the lakeshore. And in the snow belt, anywhere from 8 to 12 inches, possibly locally higher amounts where snow bands persist by noontime Tuesday. And generally, this large area of heavier snow is anywhere from the I-90 corridor down along I-271 into northern Summit County, roughly there from I-77 or Route 303, and we'll take that east, follow 303 into Portage County, and then we'll go northeast from roughly about the Windham area, and then areas north and east of the state line. So you can see that'll be the heaviest of the snow. We'll have to keep an eye on that and watch where our snow bands develop as to exactly where we could see the heaviest snow. And if the winds actually back off a little bit, we could see some more discrete snow bands develop, and that could also change things up a bit on the snowfall estimates. Okay, the almanac for Dayton for today, the high so far today is 18, the low this morning was 16. Averages are 39 and 25 respectively. The record high is 66 set in 1901. The record low is minus 6 set in 1960. They had 0.02 inches of rainfall today. For the month, they've had just shy of an inch. And just a little over 33 inches for the year, but they're about 4 3/4 of an inch back on the normals there. Sunrise is at 7:50 and sunset is at 5:12. Latest radar imagery, we can see this snow band here extending across, if I can find my pointer, across of Ashtabula County. And it's getting a fetch off of Lake Huron as well, so that's getting some enhancement off of Lake Huron too. And that snow band has persisted for several hours there, so several inches of snow have fallen out of here. Could also see some whiteout conditions if you're traveling in that area. Definitely use caution. We also have snow, and it's not really a discrete band, but more just general. It's still lake effect over portions of Geauga, Western Lake, eastern Cuyahoga, into parts of Lorain, Medina, northern Summit, and northern Portage counties. Generally right in here. The heavier snow is on the east side. Eastern Cuyahoga, northern Summit, into northern Portage, much Geauga, and western Lake counties. This is your heavier snow. Lighter out here, but it's still coming in over Lorain County and Medina County off of the lake. And right in here is going to be an area of interest overnight tonight. Over into Lorain and Medina. That will also be an area of an interest, but I don't think as much as over on the east side of Cleveland and the suburbs over there. We'll definitely have to see what happens there with the winds. You can also see the lake effect coming off Lake Michigan. Look how far inland it gets. It gets almost as far south as Indianapolis. Just east of Indianapolis is how far that's having an effect. So quite an effect there as well. You can see much of the snow has exited. Southeastern Ohio might see a little bit redevelopment here later tonight. Otherwise, it will continue to move out of the area. Okay, the daycast. This is for Tuesday for Northeast Ohio. The high is 19. Northwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. At 8 a.m. we'll have snow and windy conditions. Temperature around 13. Much the same by noontime. Temperature around 17. Snowy and breezy at 4 p.m. Temperature around 16. And snow showers for 8 o'clock. And temperature around 13. For Northwest Ohio, the high tomorrow is 20. Northwest wind between 15 and 20 miles per hour. We'll have morning snow around 8 o'clock with temperature around 10. Mostly cloudy skies the rest of the day, Temperature around noon of 17, by 4 p.m. 15, and by 8 p.m. 10. For southeast Ohio for Tuesday, 25 is your high, with the west wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. We'll have morning snow showers with a temperature around 13 at 8 o'clock. Chance of flurries around noon and 4 p.m. with a temperature around 21 at noontime and 20 at 4 p.m. And partly cloudy skies around 8 p.m. with a temperature around 12. For southwest Ohio, looking a little bit nicer here for Tuesday. 24 is your high with a west wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Still cold though, mostly sunny skies expected much of the day. Temperature around 12 above at 8 a.m., 20 by noontime, and 17 by 4 o'clock. We'll have partly cloudy skies by 8 p.m. with a temperature around 11. State forecast for Tuesday, again much the same for the northeast. We'll have lake snow and northwest wind at 15 to 25 miles per hour generally. Morning snow in southeast Ohio, morning snow in northwest Ohio, mostly sunny skies much of the day across southwest Ohio. 19 is your high in Toledo, 21 in Cleveland, 20 at Akron and Canton, 21 in Columbus, 23 Dayton, 24 Lancaster and Cincinnati, and 25 in Athens. 5-day forecast for northeast Ohio, again Tuesday, lake snow, windy, 18 is your high tomorrow, 9 is your low. For Wednesday, continued snow showers, 23 is the high, 10 is the low. Snow showers primarily confined to the snow belt. Chance of snow for Thursday, primarily in the morning, 26 is the high, 13 is the low. Partly cloudy skies. We'll get a little bit of a break from the snow for Friday and Saturday. 27 your high Friday, 15 overnight Friday night, and 26 for Saturday. For northwest Ohio, we'll start with some morning snow. Otherwise, partly sunny skies. Temperature around 19. 5 is your overnight low Tuesday night. Partly cloudy for Wednesday with a high of 21 and a low of 10. Chance of snow again on Thursday with a temperature around 26 and a low of 13. Mostly cloudy Friday with a high of 29 and a low of 16, and partly cloudy for Saturday with a temperature around 28. For southeast Ohio, we'll start with some morning snow. Otherwise, partly sunny skies. The high around 25. The low Tuesday night is 7. Mostly sunny for Wednesday, the high of 27, a low of 14. We'll have snow showers move in the area as the system passes just to the south of Ohio. The high around 31, 18 overnight Thursday. Mostly cloudy Friday and Saturday. Friday's high is 33, 15 is the overnight low, and 30 for your high on Saturday. For southwest Ohio, mostly sunny Tuesday, the high at 24, 6 for the overnight low Tuesday night. Partly cloudy, with a chance of snow Wednesday, and a high of 26. The low is 23. Again, snow showers possible for Thursday as that system passes south of Ohio. High around 30. The low is 22. Mostly cloudy Friday. High of 31. And a low of 16 Friday night. And partly cloudy for Saturday. And a high of 28. And for all of the latest weather information, be sure to visit our website, ohioweathernetwork.web.com. Have a great day.